Hey everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. It's a little bit of a smaller release compared to last week, but it was just a crazy week getting ready for the Christmas time. So this is going to be a couple of different things this week than normal, but I'm very excited to show you all of the things that'll be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And also we will have another kit. It is just a pup mystery. So let's go ahead and start at the very top. So the first thing here, well, first things first, if you haven't subscribed to our mystery subscription, January is always a birthday theme, and this year is so cute, and it's just so good. There's a bunch of extra sheets to it because I made sure to basically include like all the fams. So for like adult, girl, and then little boy and little girl. So very excited about that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. You got a little bit more time. So let's go through the doodles first. So this is 821, which is a super cute like little log cabin. Then there's 822, which is like snowboarding ski goggles. 823, which is a little beanie. 824 is a snowboard. 825 is a winter jacket. 826 is a ski lift. 827 is the skis. 828 is the like UGG type boots, and then 829 is like the classic style of it and not like the pastel version. So those are all the doodles that will be coming to the shop Wednesday. We do have 3 new characters. We have character number 142, which is Squirtle, 143, which is Bulbasaur, and 144, which is Charmander. We already have Pikachu in shop and a Pokeball, I believe, as well. Then I have 2 kind of random things. The first one here is, we've done this a couple of times and it always sells out, usually the weekend that we list it or the weekend after. And this is a bundle of 3 Misfit or Overstock mini kits. So, yeah, these ones are Misfit. So they have like the foil freebie, and then this one is an Overstock. So this is the July 2021 Mystery, Beetlejuice, Believe, and Moon Prism. So this is just an example of what you can get, but they'll obviously be different kits. It could include holidays, seasonal, mystery, in shop, or whatever it may be, but it is the format. All the mini kits will be the format of glitter headers included in the kit. So this will be available Wednesday, and like I said, this usually sells out the week we list it or the next week. Then I have something else to show you. So this is going to be an underlay like grab bag, but I think that this is variation 1, so I think there's only 1 variation for this set. And if y'all like it, I will do future variations. So this is going to be 10 bougie boxes or underlays, like pattern underlays, I guess I should say. And they are going to be in the in different colors. So you'll have enough for 5 different spreads. So this one has the Luxe in Hollow, Tartan in Sparkly Hollow, the Dots in Hollow, Terrazzo in Rose, and Celestial in Gold. This is a perfect way to grab some underlays on a discount and build up your stash, especially if you haven't tried fun pattern underlays yet. These are a great way to grab some. Then let's go into the kits. Sorry if you could hear kids. My kids are home. Usually I try to film when they're not home, but I feel like they have off a bazillion days, so this is just where we're at. So I do have a free format. So this is last year's January mystery. Like I said, January is always a birthday theme. This year's theme is very different in color and theme, but it's still a birthday theme. So this was last year's. It's called Strawberry Birthday. Super cute. I love the colors in this. I think a sparkly red, sparkly green, or we do have a red and green mixed metal would be really cute with this as well. Even gold would be really pretty, or silver, but I love this kit. It was a fan favorite last year. You have some boxes here. I thought these would be perfect to throw in for some quote boxes. I believe we do also in the like birthday quote boxes have a sparkly red, which are the leftovers from the mystery kit last year, because I always try to add like something in, whether it's like a couple extra sheets or like a foil extra. It also does come in a mini kit, and then let me show you the add-on options. So you do have the doodle, the functional, as well as label, ombre, and then there is fam. So there's fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which I did do like a recolor of this girl that just drew me, and I thought that was very, very cute. But lots of options there. So pretty. I haven't used this kit yet, so I'm like, should I like pull in some of the newer like fams and stuff? I don't know. It's so cute. But I'm thinking of actually using this maybe for my birthday this year. Maybe Reagan's birthday. I haven't decided yet. We have options. So that's the first kit for this week. Then the next kit is called Midnights. So this is like lightly Taylor Swift inspired art, which I thought was super, super cute. And I decided, what the heck, let's give her a go and see how the boxes come together. And I think it turned out super, super cute. It's not really like very Taylor Swift. It just has like a blonde girl in it and then a couple of like Taylor Swift nods in this box for the most part, but otherwise it's just a really cute kind of like celestial moody kit, which I think is really, really pretty. I think this one would be really fun with just like really like plain silver foil or like a matte silver, like an icy blue. The freebie is different boxes for this box here, and then there is also a box there as well. But I think it is so pretty. It also be really pretty with a gold to make like these gold colors pop throughout. Again, sorry if you could hear rumbling and tussling, but Bennett is just doing the do. I asked him to chillax for 10 minutes, but you know how 6-year-olds go. So we have that in an ultimate, and then also in the mini there is add-on options. So you can add on the doodles, there is the functional, there is the ombre, the label, and then there is also fashion if you want to add those on as well. So that is the Midnights collection. And then the last thing that I have to show you is the pop mystery. So if you don't want to see it, thank you for watching, but otherwise I'll give you the flyby if you just want a little peek. And then let's go ahead into the full reveal. So this will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. And this is one, no, this is not one. This is my favorite like romantic film ever. And it is Pride and Prejudice, which this one's called Mr. Darcy. And Pride and Prejudice is like my favorite romance movie, the one with Keira Knightley. I just think it is so stinking good. So this is a very character heavy because I feel like that's kind of the vibes for the movie in itself. And I love these colors, perfect for spring or like Valentine's Day. Definitely going to be using this in this year's planner. I might personally just save it for May because it's one of my favorite movies of all time. I love that scene. So pretty. And then you have the like house kind of sitting area for the freebie there as well. I just think it's so pretty. And I think Hannah said that she's going to be coming out with Pride and Prejudice quote boxes, which is going to be fabulous. So that is the ultimate kit. This is the mini kit. Again, this is a pop mystery, so it'll only be available from Wednesday through Sunday. You also have the doodles, the functional, as well as the ombre, and then there is also the label sampler and then the extra color. It's really pretty if you want to kind of like tone this down and make it a little less bright. You can replace one of the colors with this like taupe color. I think it kind of like brings it down a little bit from the like heavy spring. I think this would actually be a really pretty combo for this one. Yeah, I'm thinking like maybe that one or that one, but we're just adding it in. It's really pretty as well. So that's everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. Again, don't forget to sign up for the mystery if you are not signed up already because it is so pretty. And I don't actually know when I'm going to use it. So yeah, maybe using it for Theo's birthday. It's not like I don't really think he'd care about the theme, but I just think it could be very, very cute. So that is everything for this week, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!